Do you know how today's kids are becoming slaves to the digital age? In a world dominated by screens, technology, and virtual experiences, we must consider the potential harm that too much screen time may have on our kids' development. Children are being exposed to screens at an unprecedented rate, from smartphones and tablets to video games and social media. But how does this ongoing exposure to technology affect their physical, cognitive, and social well being? Let's dive deeper into the negative effects of screen time on children, how technology is impacting child development. Numerous studies have linked excessive screen usage with a number of cognitive consequences on kids' development. According to research, prolonged screen time can harm people's physical health by encouraging lazy habits, obesity, and sleep disruptions. Additionally, excessive screen usage has been related to delayed language development, a short attention span, and issues with critical thinking and problem solving. The social development of children can also be badly impacted by excessive screen usage, according to experts. Overuse of digital gadgets can reduce in-person interactions, harm social abilities, and increase feelings of loneliness and isolation. Their emotional health is also seriously endangered by cyberbullying and exposure to unsuitable content. In today's digital environment, setting sensible screen time limits and creating clear boundaries becomes essential. Experts stress the importance of parental involvement and supervision in policing children's screen use. It is possible to lessen the harmful effects of excessive screen time by encouraging a balanced lifestyle that includes exercise, interpersonal contacts, and a variety of educational opportunities. The key is striking the correct balance rather than mocking technology. Digital educational and interactive content can offer worthwhile learning possibilities with the right direction. The secret is to encourage children to have positive relationships with screens and to have a well rounded upbringing that supports their physical, intellectual, and social growth. The era of technology has greatly improved and facilitated our lives. However, a growing concern about the negative effects of screen time on children's development is underlying this digital revolution. Alarming statistics regarding the effects of too much screen time on children have been revealed by recent studies. Children aged 2 to 5 are advised to have no more than 1 hour of high quality screen time per day, while those aged 6 and older are advised to have consistent limits set by parents or other caregivers. However, studies show that many kids go beyond these guidelines, with 75% of teenagers reportedly using screens for longer than 4 hours per day. Numerous physical health issues in kids have been linked to too much screen time. Obesity and other related health problems are more likely to occur as a result of sedentary behaviors linked to screen use. Increased screen time is significantly correlated with decreased physical health, according to studies. Another major area that is negatively impacted by too much screen time is cognitive development. According to studies, children's attention span, memory recall, and cognitive flexibility may suffer from prolonged screen time. Rapid fire screen content frequently does not offer the necessary context for in-depth learning and critical thinking, preventing intellectual development and dynamic success. Children's social and emotional health are also impacted by screen time, in addition to their physical and cognitive development. Overuse of screens can undermine positive social interactions and prevent the growth of critical communication and empathy skill. Children's mental health and self-esteem can suffer as a result of exposure to inappropriate content of cyberbullying, which can also deepen their anxiety, depression, and social isolation. Experts recommend establishing clear boundaries and encouraging healthy screen habits because they are aware of the negative consequences of excessive screen time. It is essential to promote a balanced lifestyle that includes outdoor play, exercise, interpersonal interactions, and a variety of educational opportunities. Parental involvement and open communication are essential in regulating children's screen time and ensuring their general well being. I believe you liked the video. Share it with friends and family and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions, do mention in the comment box.